लांथे तो यही सब विषय तो तुम जान तो वंदे मातरम आगुरी तो आम गाँव नथिले एबे कहीं गाउचे तृतीय अवसर थिला 150 इयर तुम चिंता कर वंदे मातरम गोटे गीत जोटा कि आज को 150 वर्ष तले लिखाई किए लिखिं बंकिम चंद्र
so महान मौजात
every single one of you. Today we are here to celebrate our 80th Independence Day. On this day, our motherland स्वाधीनतार आलोक को देखि पाइथिला और ए दिन आम भारतर कोटि कोटि लोकंकर प्रिय त्रिरंगा पताका आकाश रे उड़ी स्वाधीन भाव में उड़ीला। हाँ आज्ञा आज अच्छी अगस्ट मास 15 तारीख अर्थात केते संघर्ष संघात केते लुह लौर विनिमय केते देश प्रेम आत्म बलिदान आम 1947 मसीह अगस्ट मास 15 तारीख स्वाधीन हेलु आम स्वाधीन हेलु सत मात्र प्रकृत स्वाधीनता आम से पाइबू जिते गोटे नारी रात्रि रात्रि रास्ता एकुटिया जापर किए कह निर्भय जाऊा झीटी दिल्ली निर्भय जो पलटि मु कहि द वर्ल्ड सफर नॉट ड्यू टू द वायलेंस ऑफ बैड पीपल रेदर ड्यू टू द साइलेंस ऑफ गुड पीपल एति कोई मु मोर वक्तव्य
वो देश जो समंदर पार परदेशियों को भी ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर कहकर बुलाता है उसी प्रेम की पूजा भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। A very warm good morning to each and everybody present over here, respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I just don't want to wish you good morning because how can a good morning define or describe it? 200 years of struggle of a day, struggle to create independence from a British rule. On 15th August 1947, India gained independence from British rule. It is not just about a day, it's about millions of hours, millions of sacrifices, millions of courage, hardness, determination, etc. A nation that had been silent found its voice back. A nation that had been bound flew again with its wings spread in the freedom of the sky. A nation organizing non-violence and proving that the might of truth can bring an empire to its knees. On the other side stood Jawaharlal Nehru. On the other side stood Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who firmly believed in answering a brick with a stone. Today, this blood-brought nation is in our hands. Independence is not a project with a deadline. It is an ongoing journey whose steering wheel is in our hands. Now it is the duty of the youth, our duty, to take this journey forward with absolute honesty and civic responsibility. As I conclude,
a few words on the occasion of India's 80th Independence Day. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. This day is very important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from British rule. On this day, on this special day, we remember our
ऊर्ध वर्ष धरी इंग्रज मान द्वारा शासित है 1947 मसीहा अगस्ट मास 15 तारीख दिन में
why we gather here, why we celebrate this day, and why who were the freedom fighters fought for freedom. But today I am telling you why we should respect our flag Tiranga and why we hosting this flag on Independence Day. Who can
of India. Today we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most important national festival of India, that is Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India became independent after 200 years of cruel struggle from British rule. This freedom was not achieved easily. It came after years of pain, struggle and sacrifice. Many brave freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, and along with many others who sacrificed their life for the
Independence means the ability to rule in own way. When India learned to rule its citizens in own way, from that day, Independence Day is being celebrated. Now we are gathered here to celebrate 80th